You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these words and more confusing vocabulary many get wrong in English, so stay tuned to the channel and become part of the community to learn more. Stochastic, stress on that second syllable end. The first sound is not an O sound. Surprisingly, yes, it's an O letter, but it's a schwa sound. Stochastic. Stochastic. It's easy, both in British English and American English. It's said the same way. Stochastic. And now you know. Like this video if you found it useful. It helps me immensely. I appreciate your support, and more videos for you here to learn more free, correct pronunciations. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.